Meteor Strike is imminent. This is not a test. Meteor Strike is imminent. Get in shelter immediately. Get in shelter immediately. Meteor showers followed by a meteor as big as a suburb have been spotted and are heading for Earth. Grab the necessary food, shelter, water, toiletries, and first aid supplies. A mysterious force that damaged our ozone layer has sent meteors down toward Earth. Many people saw a hijacking a couple of hours ago from this mysterious force, and said doomsday was coming. Please do not panic, stay resilient and quiet, and stay prepared for the future of you and others.
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the New York Police Department. This is not a test. This is not a test. In your local area where the recent meteor struck, these meteors have started to crack open and release many creatures from an unknown origin. These creatures have reported many mutated arms, legs, and body parts. They are about 10 feet tall and rip apart anything they see. Your local police and National Guard have been dispatched to counter these creatures. More information will be broadcasted shortly.
Holy shit, it's like they want us to die in the most gruesome way. They're ripping us into hundreds of pieces. There's too many. God, please help me.
I'd just like to say, thank you for all you did, Mom, Dad, Sister. You got me through life like a piece of cake. But now it's over for us. I might as well see you on the other side. I don't got much to say before this world ends. Why did this happen?